Hello viewers, today I present you Victor Diduck magnetic motor. This one is really interesting. You will see it's not too complicated, but yet it's not that simple. So let's get to the drawings and see what it is all about. Okay viewers, so that is Victor Diduck magnetic motor. So let's start from the beginning and see what are the components and how are magnets and the shaft and all necessary devices connected in a way that this should work in the end. Okay, so if I start from the beginning, this first thing, so this is the drive motor, yeah, and he is connected with the drive pulley to the first or drive shaft, yeah, so you can see, and on this drive shaft there are two wheels with 4 magnets, yeah, so it's very clear, yeah. So drive motor, it's connected to the drive pulley, to the drive shaft, on which there are 2 wheels with permanent magnets. There is another shaft in the system, you can see this bigger one with the flywheels, yeah. So this red are permanent magnets, yeah, and this is, let's say, the housing on which there are magnets, and these 4 things there are flywheels, so they are using as a force to push the system to work, yeah. So that's the idea, yeah. And if I check here, we have totally 8 magnets on each of the 2 let's say secondary magnet systems, yeah. There are totally 8 magnets, yeah, and on this 8 more which are separated by 45 degrees, yeah. You see one is exactly in between of 2 others, yeah. So they are separated by 45 degrees angle. And basically that's it, yeah. So how this works, and this is of course secondary generator which produces free energy. And how this is supposed to work, so let's see. So when this primary motor starts this primary shaft on which there are magnetic wheels, so they will enable that secondary set of magnets start to spin. And when this secondary shaft, all these components on the secondary shaft reaches enough speed, then by the means and with the flywheels we have enough momentum to overcome the power needed from the primary motor, yeah. So and that means that in the future, so when this it reaches enough speed, we will have to provide only small time incremental the power to the primary shaft, yeah. And of course, so on the secondary generator or electrical generator, we will get the power, yeah. And that's it, yeah. So that's it. So the idea is that with this system we will have enough momentum with this secondary big flywheels and the secondary set of magnets. We will have enough momentum to overcome the power needed for input, this to spin, and that it will be able to rotate the secondary generator. And that's it. I will now put this a little bit in transparent or X-ray, that you see that there is no hidden components inside. So if I move this around, you can see that the magnets are mounted inside of these housings, yeah, this on the secondary shaft, and the flywheels are from some heavy metal or it can be from whatever, it's heavy, yeah. And there is a first set of wheels with the 4 magnets, and there is a second set of wheels with 8 magnets, totally 16 per set, yeah. And that's it, yeah. In the end, this should be able to work in a way that on the secondary generator we get the enough power for this to work permanently. So this is it. Okay, so that was Victor Diduck magnetic motor. It's not that much complicated, but yet it needs several components to work. So idea is that to have a big flywheel which will overcome and create enough back energy which is enough to overcome the necessary input which we need from the primary motor to be able to get on the secondary electrical generator our free energy. So that's it. Until next video, please stay tuned on my channel. Bye bye.